Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your signature on DocuSign. So if you have your own signature and you want to upload it, just simply click your account on the upper right and click in Manage Profile. On the left side, you will find Signatures. Click on Signatures. And here you can click on Add Signature in the upper right. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Upload. You have three options right here. Choose Draw and Upload. You click on Upload and you can upload your signature. Keep in mind that you'll need two signatures for this to work, and it has to be a maximum of 200 kilobytes. You just simply click on Upload and choose your signature. Then once you upload the signature, you should be able to see it. Then you want to go ahead and upload the initial. So click on upload again, and you need to have a second part. So I'm going to click on the initial right here. And as you can see, it's added. At any point in time, you can come here and you can replace or you can delete these. But once you select and add those signatures, just simply click on create, and it's going to create a signature for you with your uploaded signature. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.